Hey guys, in this video we will talk about the best platforms to make websites for free. So here are some platforms listed through which you can make a free website. First of all is Wix. Wix is the best platform you can make a free website for your future or for your testing purpose. You can learn after creating a free website here. Second platform is Weebly. Weebly is also a free platform which provides you free services to make a website for your learning and for your learning process. Next is Site 123, and then next is Thingiverse, and next is WordPress. WordPress is a professional CMS used to do professional blogging for here. It is also free and it is also paid, like you have to purchase hosting for it, otherwise it is also free. The next platform is Jimdo. Jimdo is also small online store builder. The other one is Simple Site. Simple Site is great mobile editor. Webnote. Webnote is quick and easy setup. 9. I am creator great for white label businesses. Mozilla creates simple multi-channel sites. Now I have described a lot of sites here, 10 sites here through which you can make a free website. But which is best? The website owner through which I am reading this article has missed blogger.com, which is the best from all of them. Even it is best from WordPress if you are wondering as a free website. You can create a free website on blogger.com. Here let me open blogger.com. Now you will see here blogger.com is a free platform where you can make free websites. But on blogger.com, you can attach a custom domain. What is custom domain? Like .com, .net, .info, .edu, .org, .info, etc., etc. But if you create a website on blogger.com, like I have created this test website on blogger.com, and let me open this website. You can see it. Here is a uh, .blogspot.com domain name. But if you are want to show .com, you need to remove .blogspot. But how you can remove it? By attaching a custom domain. After custom domain setup, you can easily remove it. You can easily run a professional website with a short domain name, with a brand domain name. But this will cost you some dollars, like $5 or $10. After $5 to $10 investment, you can attach a custom domain here and start your website journey, start your blogging journey. I hope you have learned a lot from here, and I hope this platform will change your life also. But today we will also discuss for WordPress. Guys, for WordPress, you can see here I have a website here. You can see hamidblogger.com. Here, this website is a very good customizing website. You can see here a well customized website is here, and that is hamidblogger.com. Here I have built it up on WordPress, and on WordPress I have started this website. You can see here easy to navigate. It is easy to navigate. It is easy to read articles here. It is easy to for user. It is very professional designed website. You can see here. Look guys, here I have a good color combination. Here you can also leave a comment. So I hope you learned a lot from this video for WordPress websites and for Blogger website. So for this video, guys, this is very uh, enough, because we will discuss it on another video, that how you can make money through blogging. But in this video, we have discussed the best free platforms to make a free website for newbies, for new freshers who are very new to online field, very new to websites, or they are starting their learning journey. So guys, keep learning and keep watching our channel. Bye bye.